everyone. Today, we're tackling a total living room makeover, and I'm excited to show you how we're making a big difference on a budget. We're giving the walls a fresh coat of white paint. This will brighten up the space and create a clean canvas for our new decor. Next, we're adding a DIY pegboard. It's a fantastic way to organize and display our favorite items while adding a touch of creativity to the room. Cleaning a foldable bed is an important part of maintaining a tidy and inviting living room. A clean foldable bed not only looks better but also contributes to a healthier and more comfortable living environment. To bring in some color, we're using this beautiful light blue and brown wallpaper. It adds warmth and character, making the room feel inviting. And there you have it. A stunning living room makeover that's budget-friendly and stylish. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.
See you in
with
my
your
next
thoughts.
video.